Now, the theme of the session is open for discussion. I don't think we have much time, but just one or two short questions would be welcome.
From Punjab Technical University, thanks to ICT tools that we have virtual labs, virtual classrooms, and I'll add to it, there's a quantum jump in the virtual research also. By that I mean, we are having experimental data being cut and paste and respect virtual experimentation part. How do you go about it? What is the thought process in this case, right? Thank you.
It's not addressed to anyone, but IPR issues are there, and you see what we have done for this season, that everything we have put on the intranet of the university in the beginning, because you see still people are not well aware of IPR, and if you publish anything which has already been published or which has been copied from someone, it is danger, because anyone can put you in in problem. So in the first stage, I suggest that we should put such type of materials on the intranet of the university, and in the meantime, you see, we should ask the contributors to find out what are the resources from where they have taken the data, what are the references, and that should also be given. And if needed, permission should be sought from the original author. That is what I can say.
Yes. Any other question, please?
My name is Krishan Khanna. I don't know how many of us know that there is a 100-year project running in the United Nations. It is called the Millennium Project. It's 10 years old now. It's running for another 90 years. I thought, sir, we would like to mention to the group here, because they're all into digital learning, that the United Nations, in which, of course, India, we have representatives on that panel from India. There are about 2,500 research workers. And in the year 2007, they have brought out a project report. It is called State of the Future 2007. One can buy it from Amazon.com. Chapter 3 is all on learning and education by the year 2030. They are looking 20 years ahead. And I think it will be very interesting for the people who are really into digital learning in this room to get a copy of that book and see chapter 3. And in case you have difficulty, you can get back to me and I can give you more details. Main thing is, they say that a very good part of, as many of the learned panelists have already mentioned in the last 2 days, a very high percentage will go into digital learning. And it will be interactive. It won't be, today e-learning is boring because it's one-sided, it's passive, but it will be 100% interactive. It will be online assessment on a daily basis, online remedial measures on a 24/7 basis, online feedback on a 24/7 basis, and online Q&A on a 20. So there's a lot of interaction with the learning material.
Thank you very much for your observations. Ladies and gentlemen, now we come to the end of this session, and it's great pleasure to thank my all panelists here, Dr. R.P. Singh, Dr. Masilmani, Professor Khan, Mr. Dev Ramnani, and Dr. Vadegaonkar for making excellent presentations. What I would say is that technology is known to make lives easier and convenient. It's up to us how we use technology to achieve our goals. Once we are clear about our goals, whether it is the goal relating to teaching learning, whether it is the goal relating to research, whether it is relating to administration, governance, student activities, anything, if we are clear about our goals, technology can certainly be integrated with all these aspects to make lives easier and convenient. And that's what basically technology ultimately aims at. So I come to the end of this session, and I would like to thank all my panelists as well as all in the audience for their patient hearing and making this session a success. Thank you very much, please.